Yahya Jammeh, having been appointed as chairperson of the Commission of Enquiry into the financial activities of public bodies, enterprises, and offices as regards their dealings with former President Yahya Jammeh, do swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of the Gambia according to law. So help me God. I, Surahata Babukar Semaga Jammeh, do swear that I will execute the functions of chairperson of the Commission of Enquiry into the financial activities of public bodies, enterprises, and offices as regards their dealings with former President Yahya Jammeh without fear or favor, affection or ill will, according to the Constitution and other laws of the Gambia. So help me God. Sorry. Okay. Thank you. Your Excellency. Your Excellency, President of the Republic of the Gambia, Honorable Ministers, Learned Attorney General, Honorable Secretary General, my learned friends, and I see three of them around. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, all protocols respectfully observed. The new Gambia, democratic, peaceful, and forward-looking, yearns for contributions by able Gambians towards the reconstruction of our proud nation. We are therefore very grateful to Your Excellency for giving us the opportunity to visibly partake in the business of transforming the Gambia into a body politic where peace, justice, and mercy constantly prevail and immunity is hopefully punished forever. The Constitution and the Commissions of Enquiry Act form the bedrock of our terms of reference, our mandate. Our commission is quasi-judicial as well as investigative. It must be clearly understood that the Commission of Enquiry into the assets of ex-President Yahya Jammeh and into the activities and properties of his family and close associates, so far as they are connected, is not a law court and has no jurisdiction to hold a criminal trial. However, we are empowered by law to make orders, adverse findings, and recommendations that may impinge on individual rights and privileges. Therefore, certain characteristics of the Commission cannot be overemphasized. Firstly, we are independent and we totally refuse to be beholden to any person or institution in performing our work. Secondly, our attitude will be one devoid of bias or prejudice. Every subject of our inquiry shall have the right to instruct counsel to protect their interests before the Commission, including the cross-examination of witnesses to test their veracity. Thirdly, we shall firmly adhere to the principles of fair hearing, the rules of natural justice, and equality before the law. For it is truly said that equality, quote, is equity, unquote. Neither our attitude, nor our procedure, nor our rulings shall be shaped or affected by any disparity in wealth, power, status, or influence. Your Excellency, in order to achieve what the Commission of Enquiry seeks to perform, we need to have before us concrete, truthful evidence, be it testimony, documentary, or real. To this end, everyone, whether citizen or alien, who has knowledge of solid, truthful facts germane to the inquiry is invited to contact our Secretariat in writing. We must all bear in mind that truth is always commendable, but deliberate untruth risks the wrath of the law. Please permit me, Your Excellency, to remark that with the Commission of Enquiry constituted by a lawyer, an accountant, and a banker, men and women, the elderly and the young, all of them shunning the ugly face of ethnicity, the commissioners are a perfect match, ready to embark on this Herculean task. My colleagues and I thank you for honoring us with your appointment, which we accept with humility as private professionals. For the Gambia, our homeland, we strive and work and pray. Our heartfelt gratitude once again. Your Excellency.
I now invite the
for these people to report back to the public.
Well, the time that has been given is 3 months. And that is the time. If, in the opinion of the Commission, they feel that it should be extended, it will. But 3 months is the time frame. 3 months from July.
From July?
Yeah, from the first sitting of the Commission.
Have they been legally empowered to actually summon some of the associates and, like family members of the President to come and declare some of the things that they know, their dealings?
I will perhaps allow Ms. Bensouda, who is counsel to the Commission, to respond to that.
The Commission is established under the Constitution, as you know, and it also operates under the Commissions of Enquiry Act. And the Commissions of Enquiry Act provides for, and it does have the power to summon witnesses and to summon anybody, actually, to give evidence before the Commission, or to produce any documents. That includes to produce any documents.
With the recommendation will binding for the ministry, or what power will have the recommendation of the committee?
Well, I suppose we will have to wait for the recommendations of the Commission and to see what actions the government will take going forward. But we don't want to make any comments now that may prejudice the government's position in terms of the recommendations that will come from the Commission.
What would you respond to those people who might say that this is some kind of a witch hunt because you are targeting the former president?
I have said during the swearing-in ceremony of the membership of the Commission that this is no witch hunt, and that is why we took our time to identify very, very credible professionals who are not in government, who have integrity, so that we can ensure an independent, impartial, and transparent process for not only the Gambian public, but the world at large, to see that this is no witch hunt. The proceedings of the Commission will be public. The membership are professionals again. So there is no witch hunt here, and the government, as I said earlier, will not seek to influence their decisions or proceedings in any way whatsoever.
Did you say public, the hearing will be public?
Yes, the hearing has to be public. It's for the public good.
It will concern also assets outside Gambia or only inside the country?
It will on assets everywhere.
The terms of the reference of the Commission are clear. I advise you to get copies of the terms of reference. It will tell you what the scope of inquiry is, and no assets are excluded. But we would like to emphasize and underscore that the Commission is independent. It is bound by its terms of reference. There will be no witch hunting.
And also you can get copies of the terms of reference from the ministry. Yes. In Banjul.